If you're looking to install a pellet stove, chances are you're going to need a vent kit. And we're taking a look at the SELKIRK Corp through wall 3-inch Type L pellet vent kit. Now I picked this up to install myself my new pellet stove, and I have a 3-inch vent pipe, and this is the size and the style that I need, which is through the wall. It uses a thimble which goes through the wall. It protects the pipe from touching insulation. It has all the full instructions. The pipes connect to each other easily. Pellet stove pipes are unique in a way that it has a inner pipe and an outer pipe, so it's basically double pipe insulation, and it vents a short ways. It's not like a wood burning stove where it has to go up above the chimney, above the roof. It bends outside the wall, and with a 90-degree bend and a nice cover on the end of the pipe, you're all set to go. So this is an all-in-one kit. It comes with a bracket to mount to the wall. It comes with all the pipes you need to go out the back of the stove, through the wall, whether you go outside the wall and up or inside the wall and up and out. It depends on your situation. There's a couple of ways to install it, but it's definitely designed for horizontal installations only. So your gases must not exceed 570 degrees, which shouldn't be a problem. The only thing, read the instructions carefully. I kind of got caught with the thimble, and it's supposed to be 2 pieces. It came as one for shipping, and you have to unscrew it. It unscrews. This way you could adjust it to the depth and size of your wall, whether you're going through a 6-inch wall, whether you're going through a 10-inch wall. It has that adjustability by turning the thimble and screwing it together or apart. So that one got me a little bit a pause to figure it out, but once I carefully read the instructions, it was there in front of my face to answer to my question. So all-in-one pipe kit. I did a DIY, never done anything like this before. This came with everything I needed. All you need is the silicone and aluminum tape to seal the gaps, and you're good to go. And good luck with installing your pellet stove.